Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks so much for joining us. As always, we appreciate you guys. We want to hear from you, so please subscribe, share this video, and let us know who we should draw for you next and what you think of this video. We're going to draw Jalen Brunson after receiving several requests. So here we go. Jalen Brunson of the New York Knicks NBA basketball team was picked 33rd overall to the Dallas Mavericks back in 2018. He played college basketball at Villanova University and was the National Player of the Year. Now this guy won 2 national championships in college and now is an all-star playing for the Knicks. This guy is a stud. We love to watch him play. So let's do this. Jalen Brunson, find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across, and then bump up, and we'll do the head right here. Here we go. I got the black Sharpie, and we are starting with the jaw. Down, angle down, chin, angle up, and straight up. A little off center, but that's okay. Sideways ovals on the side there. We're gonna go up and across and down for the forehead. Now over here we're gonna do a slight arch, bottom of the eye. He's got kind of a fun squinty eye look, and then arches connecting those eyes there. A couple of highlights inside. Leave those white. Another highlight in the corner. And fill in the dark with your dark Sharpie around. I'm going to leave the bottom white. I like to fill that area in with like a light blue. So I get this light blue pointed tip, and I fill this area in with a light blue just to add some color. I like to say it's the reflection of the stadium lights off of the player's eyes. There we go. That was quick and easy. He's got some small eyebrows, so we'll just do a couple of little arches on top, maybe make them thicker. Nothing big and crazy. Find the edge of that eye, bring it down, make a dot. Edge of the eye, bring it down, make a dot. That's the edge of the nose, the width of the nose. So we'll go down, point, up. There we go. And we're gonna do a dot right in the middle. Here's his mouth. He's got up, down, and out. Make that a little smile there. A little smaller mouth. There we go. Color the inside. I like to fill in the inside of the mouth with my dark marker. There's the bottom lip. There's the top lip. And he's got a mustache. So we're gonna scribble up and down this mustache over his top lip. And he's got a little lip beard thing going on, a little triangle. And his mustache comes down and connects to his chin beard. Scribble up and down. Bring this line down. Scribble up and down, up the jaw. Scribble, 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 make that beard stand out. And there we go. Now he's got a part in his hair up here. I'm gonna bump it out and down, bump it out and down, and we'll color this area in black in the fast forward. He's got a squiggly little braid that comes down, another one that comes down over here, a little longer, and then he's got a bunch of these braids. I'm gonna do a neck down, down, and round it out. And then he's got these braids that kind of, they're little skinny things, so I'm gonna call them little snakes. They look like little worms or little snakes coming down. Behind his head. Yeah, there's one that pops out over there. Anyway, there we go. So we're gonna fill in this area with a black marker, fill in his hair. Kind of give you the idea of what's going on here. So the top is hair, he's got a part, and then these little braids are coming down behind his head. Okay. Angle off the neck, angle off the neck, arch, sideways arch for the armpit of the jersey, angle down for the waist, or to the waist, sorry. Angle down to the waist. There we go. Let's do some shorts. Angle out. angle out, straight across, up, down, and connect. Okay, let's do some legs. We start wide at the top and go skinnier toward the ankle. There we go, and we'll do some shoes. Tongue of the shoes, we bump up. Now we do 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. And bring that toe out. We like to do oversized shoes for our players. I think it's fun, kind of a cartoon look. We're not taking ourselves too seriously on these drawings. Just having a good time. There we go, big oversized clown shoes. Let's do a big circle right here. As Jalen Brunson's a good ball handler, and he's dribbling the basketball. So slowly draw that circle. Over here we got 1, 2, 3, 4 small circles for the fingers, dribbling that basketball. Bump out the shoulder, bump behind the basketball, bump and bump. Okay. Over here we'll do the same thing. We'll just bump the shoulder and bump the arm. And let's do his hand. Let's do big thumb, big finger going up, finger, 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 bump and connect. Okay. And his arm just kind of hides behind that hand. So he's basically coming at us with a big, get out of my face kind of feel. All right, cool. Jalen Brunson, you're blocked in. We get you. Let's see what colors we're gonna do. Let's do a white jersey, a white Knicks jersey the best we can. Let's go with some blue. We're gonna get our blue marker and I'm gonna do a stripe around the neck. There's one. I'm gonna do a stripe around the shoulder area, this armpit area. Okay, and then we're gonna do a stripe down the side, and angle in, and along the bottom. Stripe down the side, angle in, and along the bottom, and we'll do a stripe on a shoe, blue stripe. Fill that in with blue, just to add some of that New York Knicks flair, the orange and blue coming in. Let us know what you think of Jalen Brunson or who your favorite player is on the Knicks or whoever. We'd like to hear from you guys. So let's also keep that blue. I'm gonna get the pointed tip on my marker. I'm gonna do the number 11 right here. If you need to take your time on these numbers, go for it. Press pause, do slow motion, back and forth, get some practice. The numbers are kind of hard. So here's the one, here's the other one. Boom. All right, and I'm gonna make this a little bit thicker here. Make this a little bit thicker line around the number 11. Looking good, Mr. Brunson. All right, cool. And let's get our orange. We're gonna get pointed tip here. We're gonna fill in the orange. Actually, let's get the wider. We're gonna fill in the number 11 with our orange here. I'm also gonna get a stripe going on. Let's get this stripe going around. Actually, I keep switching on you. There we go. Stripes, stripes. Stripe down here on the bottom, on the side, angle down, and on the bottom. Stripe on the shoe, stripe on the shoe. And we're gonna fill in this basketball with our orange as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fast forward here. I'm gonna color in this basketball. I'm gonna say thank you guys for joining us. Please subscribe. We're trying to build this channel and we wanna hear what you guys think. Share this video with your friends on social media, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. We are gonna draw flesh color, leave the pants white, flesh color, and fill in this basketball. We have Jalen Brunson of the New York Knicks for you. So thank you for joining us. Fast forward now.